Hi there, this is Jasmine and we are solving question 4 today. The question says the figures above shows a hexagonal nut that has a width of 1 integer 5/16 inches and a wrench that in order to fit the nut must have a width of at least 1/5/16 inches. Of all the wrenches that fit the nut and have width that are whole numbers of millimeters, the wrench that fits the nut most closely has a width of how many millimeters? Basically, if they are asking if this wrench is supposed to fit this nut, then what should be the width of this wrench? Obviously, the width of the nut is given, which is 1/5/16 inches. It should match with the width of the wrench. Either it has to be exactly same as this or it should be slightly greater than this. It cannot be lesser than the width of the nut. Okay, they have asked that the answer must be in millimeters. All you have to do is convert this width, which is given in inches, to millimeter. Let's do it. They have given one integer 5/16. Let me find out 1/16 is how much. And for that I am going to start from 1/2. As you know that 1/2 is 0.5. Half of it, which will be 1/4, will be 0.25. Half of it will be 1/8, which will be 0.125. Take half of it, which will be 1/16, and the half of it will be 0.0625. Now multiply both sides by 5. So 5/16 multiplying this by 5 will give you 0.3125. Add 1 both the sides, so it will give you this 1.3125. which means 1/5/16 inches is 1.3125 inches in terms of decimal. And now we have to convert this into millimeter. Multiply them. 1.3125 multiplied by this. They have already given that 1 inch is exactly same as 25.4 millimeter. So 25.4. Now instead of taking 1.3125, I am going to approximate and write it as 1.3 and multiplied by 25.4. Multiply them. Let's take it as 13. 13 4s are 52. So 5 goes here. 13 5s are 65 plus 5 is 70. 0 and 7 goes here. 13 2s are 26 plus 7 is 33. The decimal should be given after the 2 digits. The multiplication is 33.02. Now look at the options. So option D and E. Option D is slightly smaller than the required width and E is more than 33, which will be fine, because if the width of the wrench is smaller than the width of the nut, then it won't fit. So we want the width of the wrench to be slightly more than the width of the nut. So hence we can go with 34. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.